Okay.
Open. Oh, it has a bag. I thought that.
Look at this. Open the whole thing.
I-open para makita tanan. Wow! Our animator. One of the gadgets of the animator. Ay, da. Sampulay ko na, be. Ay, ako aming panagway nga masanagon. May picture na rin.
Happy?
Kani ka na, sampulay, be.
That's what you wanted. You're welcome, baby.
Sana all.
Thank you, Ma.
Oh, I did not pay for it. I'm just taking the video. You draw pa dyan. No, walas pa dyan. Ay, da. Ay, da. Dengan na siya content pabuhat. Ay, da. Saan na si Padja na? Ah, Padj. Si Padj na Padj. Drawing babae ko na siya. Kanang face sa babae. Ito na. Ito na. Ah, si Padja na. Yawag buhok na. Ah, taas ang buhok pa dyan. Ay, babae dyan eh. I thought it's Padja. Padja, you have long hair.
Oh.
Kinsa man na lang? Kinsa man na? Posom drawing oh. Post-post mo ng drawing kasi pag-abli sa kuan. Package. Sana all. Speed drawer. What do you call that? Speed artist. Oh, speed drawing artist. Sana eh.
Who is
Sama
that?
na siya.
Zoe? Huh?
Zoe? Di mo na akong mata si Zoe. Dako magkuan, lips. Ikaw, di ko rin na. Dako mata. Oh.
Wow.
Hindi, patanaw ta sa drawing. Din. Pero usara lagi mong gamit no sa kadagang color ba? Usara yung gamit. Ay, do. Oh, Zoe! Hi, Zoe!
You like the colors? You got plenty, huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yoo-hoo! More content to make. Uy, nag-promise ba ka na ko. Once na kay highlighter, maging mo nakagdagang content.
We gotta buy more paper.
More sketch pad. That's all for now, guys. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's lemon.
You?
Puppy is a lemon. Bye-bye.
And your feet is nana.